Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, Pushkar Singh Dhami, meets cloudburst victims. The Chief Minister is at the hospital where he met those who have been rescued from Dharali. And the Chief Minister has assured all possible help, all possible assistance to people who have survived, and has also ordered quick rehabilitation and relief measures to be taken. Let's go across to my colleague Tetri, who's joining us on the broadcast with more details. Tetri, visuals also on screens now of the Chief Minister meeting the survivors, the victims who were rescued.
Well, absolutely. Operation Zindagi continues. We are reporting from one of the worst affected area. First phase of Bhatwari, the road was cleared. Then when we walked 2 kilometers, then here there was another landslide. Under Operation Zindagi, there's another landslide is also clear. If we talk about evacuation process, then approximately 300 individuals are all rescued. Let me also tell you that the Chinook and Cheetah helicopters are brought in. Relief materials are also being sent over there. And in fact, as in the pictures also, we are seeing that how Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami is also monitoring the situation. Prime Minister, Home Minister did speak to him, taking the seriousness of the matter, taking in mind the seriousness of the matter as well. But now, if we talk about what is happening over here, you can see that how the BRO and ITBP teams are on ground trying to clear the roads so that we can clear the road and move towards the Harshil and Dharali, which is still 40 kilometers. So they are clearing the road over here, which will next take 10 to 15 minutes. We are over here since morning 9 o'clock when this sudden collapse of this part of hill happened and this entire area was blocked. Now it will take next approximately 10 to 15 minutes. And as we were talking, this is Operation Zindagi, where in several phases the roads are being cleared, people are being evacuated. And here in the visuals you can see that how the soil was very much loose, and when the soil is loose, definitely there are high chances of landslide, mudslide, and huge stones are roll down over here, and that is the biggest challenge for them to clear this road. Now in fact, salute to these BRO people who are clearing the roads. Also in fact, we speak to the people over here, the officers over here who are present. Sir, कितना समय लगा इस पूरे मलबे को हटाने में?
इसको 4 दिन से लगातार दिन और रात 24 घंटे काम चल रहा है और 24 घंटे लगातार रात काम करते हुए आज हम इसको खोल पाए हैं।
बड़ी सफलता है सर हासिल हुई ऑपरेशन जिंदगी के तहत। पहला फेज क्लियर किया, जेसीबी और कटर के जरिए ये मलबा भी हटाया गया है।
जी हाँ, अभी ये काम पूरा हो गया है और अभी छोटे मोटे जो काम है, अभी ट्रैफिक को निकालने के बाद हम उसको भी पूरा करेंगे।
ठीक है, ऑल राइट। So now
stay on with us. So the blocked roads are being cleared in a phase-wise manner. I'll come back to you, Tetri. We have some breaking inputs on the broadcast. I'll come to you for more details on that. Now this is the ITBP data on the Uttarkashi flash flood. According to ITBP, it has rescued 307 pilgrims who have been evacuated from Gangotri. Remember, Dharali village was a stopover on the way to Gangotri. Teams have been departed for Harsil as well. Gangotri Yatra has been hit because of the cloud burst. So Army, ITBP leading a massive rescue operation on ground. The Indo-Tibetan Border Police has so far evacuated 307 pilgrims. Tetri continues to be with us on the broadcast. We're taking a very short break. We'll keep going back to her for